Hello friends, welcome to our cooking voyage. Today we are going to see how to prepare Veg Schezwan Noodles. It's an Indo-Chinese dish which can be easily made at home using Szechuan sauce. Let's check out the ingredients required to prepare this delicious recipe. To prepare these noodles, I have used brown rice noodles today, but you can use any kind of noodles you prefer. To cook the noodles, just ensure you follow the instructions on the pack for cooking timer. To cook the noodles, bring water to a rolling boil in large pot. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. When the water starts boiling, add the noodles one by one and cook until they are perfectly done. Do not overcook the noodles. Cook it according to the package instructions. Once the noodles is ready, transfer it to a colander and rinse it with the cold water. Then add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Toss it well and keep it aside. Now let's marinate the tofu. For that I have taken extra firm tofu. Before marinating, there are few things you need to know about tofu. Most commonly the tofus are packed in water. Usually you need to press tofu to drain out most of the water, especially when we are going to stir fry it. You can also skip the step by purchasing super firm tofu that is vacuum packed, not in water. You can see I have removed excess water as much as possible. Now cut the tofus into small cubes. Into this, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, finally 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix them together and keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, heat a grill pan. Place the tofu in the pan and fry until golden brown on all sides. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to fry the tofus. While the tofus are frying, let's prepare the sauce for making the noodles. For that I have taken 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix it together. Finally add 2 teaspoons of jaggery. You can also substitute jaggery with sugar. Now carefully turn the tofus and make sure the tofu is fried on all sides. The tofus are cooked. I am going to transfer it to a plate. Fry the remaining tofus following the same process. To make the noodles, I have taken a wide pan. Into this I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil. I have taken sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 green chilies, 6 to 8 pieces of finely chopped garlic, 1 small piece of ginger finely chopped, fry them for a couple of minutes. Add the vegetables one by one. I'm adding the onion, saute for 2 minutes. Now add the chopped cabbage. Saute for a couple more minutes. Add the remaining vegetables one by one. I'm adding carrots, yellow capsicum, grated zucchini, spring onions and some beans. You can add vegetables of your choice. Saute all the vegetables on a high flame until they are half cooked and crunchy. It's time to add some masalas. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of Madras curry masala, and finally add the prepared noodle sauce. Now mix the masalas to the vegetable. Make sure all the masalas are well coated with the vegetables. Add the tofus. Give it a mix. Add the cooked noodles little by little and mix it with the prepared masala. I haven't added any salt before because the sauce itself has a lot of salt. Once the sauce and noodles are mixed, check for the salt and add according to your taste. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. Finally, I'm garnishing it with spring onions and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Here I have taken white sesame seeds, but you can also add black sesame seeds. Now the noodles is ready to serve. Try this recipe at your home. If you do, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching our cooking voyage.